Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have JBL playlist speaker and I'm going to show you where you can easily find user manual. At first open your web browser and in your web browser search for JBL playlist user manual as it's here. As you can see we have a lot of pages over here, but we can click on this one from JBL.com and here scroll down so that we can see documents and downloads. We have to click plus and here is quick start guide, declaration of conformities and spec sheet. Our manual is over here. That's it, hope it helps you. Goodbye.